first, then chair. So let's have a look at your teeth. Okay, sit. Good. Good sitting. No, teeth, then look in the mirror. Can I see your teeth? Ethan, teeth first. I'm going to stick to this, Mummy. Okay. One.
I'm just making him a little video because when he sees video, he then really does it as it's
very good.
done.
Good. Can I look at the... Could you use the mirror? Sit.
He's been looking forward to come.
It's very good. I'm going to put my glasses on now. Look, we're just looking up. Look at your teeth. You say the light. Yeah, put the light on. That's very good. Teresa's putting the light on. Open. That's very good. Lovely. Good. Last time, and then finish. Then chair. Open. Ethan, look at me. Brilliant.